Hello everyone, welcome to part 184 of Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce series. And in this video, we are going to update the header and footer links of the home page, and not only for the home page but for all the pages, the header and footer links, all the links we are going to update that requires the upgrade. Okay, and also we're going to modify the footer links which are not working, and we are going to update the admin panel as well. Okay, so we are going to update the dashboard. Okay, so we are going to update the dashboard. We are going to show here, instead of these dummy details, we are going to show the real details, like we are going to show the total orders, users, products. Okay, so these kind of stuff we are going to show, and we are going to remove the unwanted code. Okay, like all these things we are going to remove that we are not required at this time. And we will also update the sidebar. We are going to remove the unwanted data from the sidebar as well. Okay, so we are going to correct many things in this video. So let's start. So first thing is we are going to modify here in the home page header and footer. So I'm going to open the header blade file, header.blade.php file located at the front layout. Okay, so I'm going to check all the links one by one. Okay, here you can see all the links are working fine, but view more is not required at all. So we can simply comment this view more, because this is not required, we don't require this. Okay, so we can comment the things that we are not required. Later on, if we require, then we can uncomment that as well. Okay, view more we have removed. Okay, we have commented, and now see these links are working, these we have worked on. And in more, we are going to link these about us, contact us, FAQ, and also all the links we are going to provide the links for all. Okay, so here links are not working right now, so we are going to add the links for all these. So I'm going to here search like where these links are located, like in company. I'm going to search here company. Okay, and going to add the links for all. Okay, so here I'm going to add the links like URL about us. Okay, so after that, here it will come contact link and FAQ link. Okay, so here we're going to add the contact, and here we are going to add the FAQ. Okay, so these links are required, these are the CMS pages link. And so these are the clothing links. Okay, these we are also having like men, for women. We can add women, so you can add the links of your own choice, not only this one. So this is your own choice. If you want to give any other links, you can also give there. Okay, so here the account links will come. Okay, so here we are going to add user account. We can show, we can see that we are using here correct link maybe. Okay, we can search here the account link, I think user slash account. Okay, user slash account. So we are going to make it user slash account, and this my profile is not required, so we can just simply remove. And here we require the user orders. Okay, so here we are going to add here user orders. Okay, like this. So other than this, we're going to check like all these links we have updated. Okay, so we can check now like about us, the link. Sorry, we can check in the same page, open in new tab. Okay, links are working. Okay, now you can see the links are working. We can click here only. Okay, contact us, here FAQ, here man clothing, men products are coming. Women, we don't have any products for women right now. Kids, we don't have any products for kids. My account, once the user is logged in, he will be redirected to the my account. I'm going to log in, Amit 100 at the rate of 1000. Okay, we can log in, and here once again I will go there. Sorry, not here, here I'm going to log this one more, then my account. Okay, so it is working as well. So my orders, so this link is also working. So all the links here in more is now working. You can see all the links are working fine. And in the same way, we will remove this wish list is not required right now. If we anytime add wish list code that we have done in the earlier series as well, then you can also add this functionality, wish list functionality of your own by following that series. I'm going to share that in the video description as well. Okay, you can simply follow and add the wish list. Okay, or we can also do later on in this series, we will see. But right now we are going to disable this wish list from here. So okay, we have disabled that. And home page link, we are going to add the home page, and in card we are going to add here the card link. Okay, so we are going to add here the card link, url card. Okay, so here also see checkout link. See, this one is wish list is commented, that is fine, but checkout link is required now. Earlier on the checkout link don't work because we don't have the page at that time, but now we are having the page for the checkout, so we can enable its link and we'll give the checkout link. Okay, so other than this we are going to see this price is not required here. That is enough, total card item is enough, so we are going to comment this one as well. And now we are going to check here. Here the home link is still not working. We need to update this home link as well. And other than this, here also we are required to update at both the places. We are going to update it like this. Okay, at both the places. Now we are going to check, we are going to click on home, it is working fine. Here also it will work fine. This link at both the places will work fine here. Okay, so now all the links are working fine. Okay, here you can see all the links are working. My card checkout link is also working, you can see. Okay, my card is also working, card link, and my account link is also working, and my orders link is also working. Logout is already working. See, this one we will do later on. Okay, so card link here, home page link is also working, card link here is also working, these are already working. Okay, so more links are also working, these links are also working, that we have done earlier. So everything is working fine here in add header. Okay, so now we are will go down, come at the footer. In the footer also we are going to modify the links that requires the update. So in the footer as well we are going to modify some of the links. Here you can see about us, contact us. Actually we don't have the contact us page earlier, so that's why we don't have any link, but now we are having the page. We can modify its link as well. Contact link will come up here. So other than these links also we are going to update. Okay, like earlier on also update. Okay, so men, so I'm going to copy these here also. Okay, women and kids, here women, and here kids. Okay, so now come here. Here also we need to update user account. Make sure we have updated correctly. Here it is, user account, fine. Okay, so this one is not required, but here we can put it user orders. This one. Okay, user orders. Okay, so contact, everything is fine. Now we can simply check here. About us working fine. Contact us, sorry, contact us is also working fine, and FAQ working fine. Man clothing, okay, working. Woman, we don't have any products but working. Kids working fine. My account working fine. My orders working fine. Okay, all the links are working. And here your company name, okay, email, phone number will come. Okay, it's fine. And also we can modify these links also. Okay, Facebook, like these kind of links also we can update. Like we are having the Facebook account, I can update the few for you so that you will come to know. Here you can always give the target as blank for the external links. And here like our Facebook page is facebook/tech developers 2, so I'm going to copy and will paste here like this. Okay, and like Twitter, we are also having the Twitter, so here we will give the target blank for the Twitter as well. So here the Twitter link we are going to give here. This is the Twitter link that we are going to modify here like this. Okay, like this you can update the other links as well. Okay, so like the YouTube link as well, we will give the YouTube link. So the if you don't have any link, so you can remove and the YouTube link also that we are having here. Our channel URL will come up here, youtube.com stack developer. So here it will come like this. Okay, so if in case you don't have any links, you can simply remove it. Okay, so uh, so like this we can able to update all the links. So let's come to the admin part now, admin dashboard. Okay, now see here at the front we able to update all the links now. Okay, I don't think that any other link is required to update. Okay, so in the dashboard we are going to modify the sidebar. First of all, remove the unwanted content from the sidebar. These are not required. From form elements to documentation, not required. All these actual modules are working fine. Settings, admin management, catalog management, order management, user management, banner management, pages management, shipping management. Okay, and all these links are not required, so we can move from form to documentation. So open the sidebar at the admin. Okay, and here just search for the form elements. Okay, so we can remove these form elements, these charts, these tables, these icons, these user pages, these error pages, these documentation. We can move all these kind of links, and here we will just keep those links that we require. Okay, later on if you want to add any other, you can able to add. Here you can see now only the those tabs are there that we require. Other than that, we don't require any other tab. Okay, so you can simply use it, and now it looks perfect. So like in the same way in dashboard, we just require this front part, and this one you don't require. We have done the charts in the earlier series as well. You can show those charts. I will share the videos for the charts that you can able to watch and integrate here as well. But in dashboard we are going to remove the unwanted content here as well. Okay, so all these kind of stuff, order details and all these kind of stuff we can we must remove. Okay, like these kind of things we must remove here. So I'm going to remove these rows, and we'll see now that if it will look fine. See, so our home page just having this stuff here. You can simply give your city or something, or some background, or some image you can give, or you can do one more thing. You can just give these icons. You can remove this one as well and give these one. Okay, I want to show you, like if you don't want to give this image, you can also move it. I will show if you don't want to give this one, or you can do one more thing here. This div rows, we are going to copy this one, and we are going to remove inside of this, and uh, we'll add this one here like this. Okay, so yeah, no, it is not coming fine. I require to modify this one as well, and now I think it will work fine. Let's see, like this. Okay, so now it looks perfect. We have removed that image. We have just given these so that these we are going to modify with all this stuff. Like we are going to show here like sections count, categories count, brands count, products count, coupons count, filters count, orders count, users count, subscribers count, banners count. So this kind of stuff we can show here. Okay, I'm going to show starting from the sections count. Okay, so here we are going to modify the admin controller. Here in admin controller, in dashboard, we are going to show one by one all, and here I will include the model for all, like for section. Okay, for category, for products, and for order, for coupon also, for order also. Okay, for coupon also, for brand also. Okay, and for other than brand, there are order, user also. Okay, subscriber also if you want to give, but right now we will give for these. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, subscriber also we will give here, maybe sub subscriber is the model we're going to see. Subscriber, so I'm going to refresh here. Yes, it's working fine. So I'm going to update this dashboard once again, and here one by one I'm going to do give for all, like first one is we have given, but first we are going to add the queries for this one, like we are going to give here uh, sections count. Okay, sections count. Okay, so in section count we are going to fetch from section, we can simply count all. Okay, like this. Or see, you can, if you want to count, you can also count the enabled section. Okay, but we are going to count all, like enabled as well, disabled as well. Okay, all we are going to count. Okay, so here like this we are going to do for all. After section count we are going to have here the categories count. Okay, categories count, and here the category will come. After category, product will come, product count. After product, order will come, order count we are going to show. Then coupon count. Okay, then brand count. After brand, user count. After user, subscriber count. Okay, so all will come. This one we are going to remove, and here we will give like products count, then orders count, then coupons count, then brands count, then users count, then subscribers count. Okay, so now here we are going to give all here as well. We are going to return all to the dashboard blade file. Here we are going to give all, like section count. I'm going to give here all. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this. Okay, here we are going to give as well categories count, products count, orders count, coupons count, brands count, users count, subscribers count. Okay, done for all. And now we are going to modify in the dashboard as well. Okay, so in dashboard we are going to show here, like first one is the section count. Here we will show here the total sections. Okay, total section. So this one we can comment, this one is not required. So here we can give here the sections count that we have done there. We can check once if it is working fine. And here subscriber model is not there. Okay, as expected, it's not there. I'm going to see that which model is there for the subscriber, or there is any model or not. I'm not sure if there is any model. I'm going to check for its table. Okay, subscriber table, that which table we are using for the subscribers. This is our database. Ecom 9 is our database, and I am going to check here for the newsletter subscribers, whether subscribers we have added its code or not. I am not sure that we have added the subscriber code yet or not. Other, if we have not added, then we need to add this one as well. I don't think we have added its functionality so far. Okay, so yeah, I don't think that we have added its functionality. So its functionality is still due. So we are required to add this functionality in the upcoming videos. I forgot to add the functionality. I think it's part of the footer, maybe. Subscriber, here you can see no functionality is added for the subscriber. Okay, so we will add, but right now we will just give the link there. No issues. Later on we will add, whenever we will add its functionality, we are going to add this one. So right now we can simply remove this one. Okay, subscriber count we are going to remove, but we will just give its link there, like this. Okay, now it's fine. Make sure to save the files. Okay, now see. Okay, so it is saying that others we are not using. We are going to modify all first. Okay, total sections. After that, total categories. Okay, for total categories, we will give the categories count here. Categories count. Here we are going to remove this one. I'm going to copy this one. Here we require for all. Then after total categories, we are going to show the total products as well. Okay, here the products count will come. After that, it will come here. First, I think we need to give for all like this. Okay, it will save the time. Then we can modify. Okay, so we will just modify these. After that, now we can give like total categories, total products, and now total brands. Here it will come like brands count. After brands, we will give here like total orders. Okay, here we will give the orders count, total coupons also. Here we will give here the coupons count, and now we will give here total users count, and finally total subscribers that we don't have right now, but later on we will add total subscribers. Right now we will give here the 0. Okay, so I'm going to check now. uh, Users count is having issue. I'm going to check the users count here, why it is not working. Here users count, I'm going to check here users count. Okay, we don't have here. Okay, so that's why we need to have the user count as well. Users count from user. Okay, now we are going to check once again. Now it is working fine, and you can see the total sections, total categories, total orders, total coupons, total products, total brands, total users, total subscribers. So it's working fine now. Okay, we can also compare with the catalog here, and we can open this one like sections we can open, and there are three sections you can see, and three is giving here, given here. Okay, so I'm going to check the categories as well. There are total of I think 10 categories, so nine is given there. Yeah, one of nine. Okay, so there are total of nine categories. Ninth is missing. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So ninth category is not there. Maybe we have deleted, and there is a total of nine categories. So nine are given here. So like this, we able to update the admin dashboard as well. Okay, so you can modify this one at your end, and if you will face any issue, you can surely contact me. And one thing I want to tell you, that you can always join the channel, you can always subscribe the channel, as well as you can join the channel as well to get the complete source code. Okay, so right from the day one, I am telling you that you can easily get the source code by paying small fees, and you can always join as a advanced member or superior or genius member. I'm going to show you. If you want your features to add in the e-commerce website, that then you can easily do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you here this one. Like, you can click on join, and here you can see, you can click on join here. Sorry, this one, you can click here join, and after clicking here join, you can always join as a advanced or superior or genius member to get your features. I'm going to add your features, like you, if you want some add-on feature in your e-commerce website, then I will add its video here. I will give you the source code as well. Okay, So you can always join as a advanced superior, as well as the genus tech developer. It depends upon the feature you ask. If this feature is small enough, then you can join as a advanced. If the feature is big one, okay, so you can email me, you can just simply contact me, and my email address is always for everyone, stack developers 2. Okay, I will mention my email address once again, stack developers 2 at the rate of gmail.com. You can email me your feature. Okay, I will tell you that which membership you need to join. So this is my email id. I hope that it is visible. Okay, so this is my email id, stackdevelopers2 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, I'm going to type here. Okay, this is my email id, stackdevelopers2 at the rate of gmail.com. So or you can contact me on Facebook as well. I always given my channel name, facebook.com stackdevelopers2. Okay, or you can even comment me under the video description. So there are many ways that you can contact me. You can also add me as a friend, facebook.com amitg100. Okay, amitg100, you can always add me as a friend. Okay, and ask me anything if you want my feature. This is my profile. You can simply send a friend request and write there that you are from Stack Developers YouTube channel, so that I will add your request. So let's hope to finish this series as soon as possible. Still few things we are going to work on. This subscriber, I forgot to add that we are going to work on this one. We are going to work on these currencies as well as these languages. Also we are going to add maybe the Google Translator or something. So we are going to work on these pending things as well. So stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time.